Shemai, today we've been out on a walk and we're just getting the last of the sun before it goes down behind the hill, and we've seen absolutely heaps of this on our walk today. Now this is Hart's tongue fern. It's Asplenium scolopendrium, and everywhere that we've been today is kind of the best habitat for it. It really likes damp habitats, it likes woodlands, it likes sort of roadside verges, and it's incredibly widespread. Now the interesting thing with this particular fern is that it is a native, and it's our only native without divided leaves. You can see here that there's single fronds, and we're going to take a closer look at it now. This Hart's tongue fern, like I say, the easiest way to identify it is that the leaves aren't divided. It grows in these clumps, and this single blade is glossy and it's green, and it can grow up to about 60 centimetres long. Now typically the tips are pointed, and quite often they can be curled as well. Now this one, there's one underneath there, you can just see the tip is curled over like that. But one of the interesting things with it is that when it's when the spores are produced, generally between sort of July and August. Now this year seems to have been sort of unseasonably warm, and these are still producing spores, and the spores are like orangey brown, and they appear on the underside of the leaf like that. And they appear in these kind of sort of linear lines that come out from the centre there, and they look a little bit like centipede legs. So that's where the Latin name comes from. So the Latin name scolopendrium in Latin literally means centipede. So it's said that the name Hart's tongue originates from the shape of it, in that the old name for a deer was a hart, and the shape looks like a hart's tongue, so the tongue of the hart deer. The Hart's tongue fern has also in the past had lots of medicinal uses, so it's been used to treat high blood pressure, it's been used as a sort of wound dressing to heal wounds. It's also been used as a cough medicine and to ease sort of chest problems, but it's also been used to deal with digestive problems and diarrhea. So there we go, the Hart's tongue fern. Now we found it by being out on a walk today, but actually quite often these days you might see it in a garden. It is planted quite often now in shady parts of gardens because it does have this lovely shape. They are really nice, and you know, this time of year as winter's setting in and the leaves are falling off the trees, these will remain bright and glossy green throughout the whole year, so it can actually brighten up your walk when you're out and about. So hopefully you'll see some when you're out and about. Good luck.